Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. It is Saturday, April the 19th, and this is Happy Easter to specifically you. A gift to you if you are out and about today, bebopping, doing last minute Easter shopping. These are two deals I would absolutely do because if you're a skincare girly like yours truly, you can see the value on the screen of $1.99 or $1.42 for the top tier L'Oreal skincare. Oh my gosh. First store that we're at is at Walgreens, and this is going to be an interesting one because I'm going to recommend that you do this in store, and I'm going to recommend that you scan every single item with the Ibotta app before you buy it. Please pay attention to that. We have this guy in various variations for $11.99. You have to pick up the right one that is attaching with the Ibotta rebate. And I'm not going to figure that out till later this morning because I got to hoof it over there myself. My store doesn't open till 9 a.m. This specific product has a $5 digital coupon attaching, which is easy. But this is where the curveball is thrown over at Walgreens. The Ibotta rebate for $5 back. You need to get the right one that's attaching. And skincare is in fact included. There are some exclusions, but we have a lotion that we're purchasing. So, I mean, you're really going to have to scan items, scan barcodes. So here it is. Again, I recommend in store and scan, scan, scan. Grab one of those L'Oreal skincares for $11.99, $5 digital attaching. You'll pay $6.99, get $5 back from Ibotta. The final price point over at Walgreens is $1.99 for a product that's $11.99. Savings right there. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, by all means go for it. I mean, we're all about saving money, but I can't stress enough for this one over at Walgreens. Definitely open up that app and scan every single barcode to ensure you're grabbing the right one because this is a weird one where it's just it's weird which ones will scan and which ones won't. It's very, very fussy. Second deal is going to be over at Walmart, and I know that this one will work because it's in the Walmart cash. I also recommend, guys, just being an old timer who's been doing these deals long enough, because this is such a high value rebate and so many people love cheap skincare. These are going to go really quickly, so the sooner you can land this deal and make it happen, the better it is for you. We have this L'Oreal Hydra Renewal a continuous moisturizer cream for $6.42. Yes, that is the price. Um, and it looks like a really expensive box too. I don't know why it's so cheap at the store. But as you can see, that Walmart cash available, if you click it, there's $5. So you can do this deal two different ways. If you have your Walmart cash on your account, and then if you have your Ibotta separately, you can do the deal a second time. I would recommend doing the deal with Ibotta first, and once you get your $5 back with Ibotta, then doing the Walmart cash. Pretty obvious and simple. But as you can see, in my rebates, if you look at the bottom, Walmart is there, and then Walgreens was at a different one. So you can technically do this offer at two different stores, which is glorious, and make sure that it's still there. I mean, heck, if Walmart's an easier store for you to get to today with last minute Easter shopping, by all means. Um, and if you do Walmart cash, I would try and do it twice if you could track down two of these. And again, in store, just to show you what we're doing, grabbing one of those L'Oreal skincares for $6.42. And by all means, guys, scan that barcode just in case something goofy happens. You don't want to buy something for $6.42 if you're not going to get your cash back. After you submit the rebate to Ibotta for $5, it's going to be $1.42 for this glorious skincare. I mean, it makes even a nice last minute Easter gift for you, or, your mother-in-law or sister or somebody you care about too. Throw in a candy bar for Easter. That would make a perfect little gift. And you could do this both with Ibotta. But if your Ibotta is linked with your Walmart account, you can only do it the one time. But if it isn't, you can do it twice with Walmart Cash and Ibotta. That is it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and definitely scan those barcodes and then double, triple check, is my Ibotta rebate there, yes or no, and get your cheap skincare today. See you guys.